Hi, and welcome to my Google Classroom. Our goal this morning is to show you how to create an assignment. But I would like to point out that creating assignment is fine, but the students being able to find the assignment is just as important. So I'd like to take a minute and just sort of look at my topic column here on the left corner. Beginning of the year, I've used Google Classroom all year. I have fifth grade students. It has been, where I just had everything organized by subject area. So whatever it was they needed, we're working on science, they need to go there. We're working on social studies, they need to go there. And they've been able to navigate that. But we weren't using Google Classroom on a daily basis. Now that we're doing distance learning, that's changed. We're using it every day, all day, for whatever time that they're putting into their schoolwork. And so I had to rethink how I had it organized. I needed to put the topics as that particular week. So you know that all the work you need this week is in this topic area. I organized my assignments by subject area according to our week at a glance. Now our grade level is working together. We're each working on collaboratively to create lessons and materials for our students. And so we decided on setting up a week at a glance so we can very easily have every student be able to know what it is they need to do. So since we do math and we do spelling, then we do grammar, I made sure I set up my Google Classroom assignments in the same way. By putting the day in the name of the assignment, I've helped simplify that too for my students. So instead of where the first week I was, using something a little more obscure, it may have said it, it may not have said it. It was a little hard for them, and I had gone back and actually added days in here. I've been finding that doing it this way where I'm actually putting the days and being very clear, it's been very helpful. So to create the spelling assignment I'm talking about, we need to go to Create, and I click Assignment. My assignment this week for spelling, what is posted here, we'll be covering from Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. In my instructions, I'm trying to be very, very clear for my students. Watch the spelling presentation. And complete practice page 134. On Tuesday, we're going to complete practice page 135 and begin your spelling city activities. On Wednesday, you're going to use the wonders. Use wonders access to do. And I'm going to go back to my week at a glance here and get the exact name so that they know what they're looking for. Now, I could put the wonders links here. But when you do that, when you go into Wonders and you assign a link to Google Classroom, assign a resource to Google Classroom, what it does is it isolates that link by itself. So you have one assignment, it just has that link. It does not allow you to add anything else to it. So if you've got 4 or 5 different Wonders links coming in, each one of them will have a different assignment entry. By doing it this way, and we all know we've had troubles with the Wonders links, I just went back and made a help video for my students, said go into Clever and click on Wonders, and this is what you do. And I did it from a student view so they could see what they had to do. So we're finding that it's simpler. I just say, just go to Wonders and do it. And then I'll check their work there. I still write it here so they don't think, oh, Wednesday, I don't have to do anything. On Thursday, they're going to complete their other practice page. This is the one for meaning. Page 136, and continue your spelling city activities. My students do very well with this. it helps them do a lot of extra practice. On Friday, you're going to complete your spelling city. For Unit 5, Week 3, and take the assessment. I'm going to add those resources. The first one, I'm going to do it in order as well. First link has to be the spelling presentation. I want them to find that. I'm going to click link, and I've already created the spelling presentation, and I've recorded it, so it's right here in Screencastify. Copy the shareable link, and back to my classwork, add my link. It'll show up here. It's under the presentation. Students can view file. That's okay because they're just watching the movie. Then I need to add that practice page. So I'm going to go to Google Drive. We've already set this up in our shared drive. And it should be in here. So I have to navigate to it. I believe it is this one, page 134. Hold on. Now, this is the only time that you can click this and drop down and make a copy for each student. If you do not do this, you cannot come back and do it. You'll have to delete the assignment and start over again. If I save the assignment right here and I came back later to add on page 135 or add on anything else, it wouldn't work. It would just say students can view file or students can edit file. It would not make their own copy. You have to do their own copy on the first go round. Let me add the second one. Google Drive also. Share drive. Now this is for 135. And again, this is the only time that you can change it to make a copy for each student. I've got this. They know how to get there. Wonders, I'm not going to give them the link. They're going to go to Wonders to do it. Thursday, need this other page for Wonders. Google Drive. Share drives. And this should be the last page, 136. All right. Now, in terms of materials that they need, files, this is going to be it. The other activities that they're going to do for Spelling City include meaning and sorting and context, and then they actually take the assessment there. So I don't have to do that separately. Come over and make sure you have all your thing drop down set for the right thing. Due date, because my students are not all working at the same time of day, getting the same things done. They'll do like spelling stuff on one day. However, they're doing it that best suits their needs right now. I am just making everything due for Friday, and on Friday I check everything. I check early. If it's done already, I check it then. And topic, make sure you pick your topic. And like I said, I have it sorted by week so that I have everything all together that they're going to need. I'm going to click Assign. And once it's assigned, you'll be able to come over to these three dots. You'll be able to click on them. And it'll allow you to move it down so that you can put it in order. Now that it's down one, I could pick move up or move down. And this is the order I would want it in because I want my math and my spelling, my grammar. And you can see I have the others to add in. That's all for today. So good luck and happy distance learning.